India has gifted Made in India COVID vaccines to more than 40 countries. The list of countries include Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Mauritius, Maldives, and many other nations. The pandemic has presented significant challenges to the scientific community. However, India has used it as an opportunity for the pursuit of new scientific technologies, particularly in biotechnology. Now, India is strongly heading towards the biotechnology sector. The current growth trajectory of the sector can bring India within the top 5 countries globally and can be recognized as a global biomanufacturing hub by the year 2025. Before pushing this heavily designed word biotechnology forward, let us get a glimpse of its meaning. Biotechnology deals with the application of biological knowledge and techniques pertaining to molecular, cellular, and genetic processes. Biotechnology products and processes have ensured ease of living, improved healthcare, agriculture output, and created various new livelihood opportunities. In the biotech industry, India is ranked amongst the top 12 biotech destinations in the world and ranks third in Asia. To make India globally competitive in biotechnology research, innovation, translation, entrepreneurship, and industrial growth, the Government of India has launched a new National Biotechnology Development Strategy. But how did India implement this strategy? Here's an answer. The biotech sector is primarily divided into 5 major segments, which together contribute to the bioeconomy of the country. Certain key initiatives that will help in strengthening National Biotechnology Development Strategy are building capacities. A skilled workforce is an essential component to stay ahead and drive excellence in the biotech sector. Various biotech missions have been launched to cater issues of maternal and child health, microbial resistance, vaccines for infectious disease, and food and nutrition, including clean technologies. In the bioagri sector, special focus is laid on climate-resilient crops or the second green revolution, nutrient-rich crops with greater bioavailability and developing affordable strategies for milk yield improvement. India is continuously trying to move technology from lab to market. Make in India will be connected to Startup India by providing access to facilities for designing, fabrication, validation, and scaling. The strategy focuses on leveraging the strength of national and international partnerships by collaborating with multilateral forums like SAARC, BRICS, G20, G6, and several other professional organizations. BioIndia 2021 will take science to society by promoting rural bio-entrepreneurship, scientist-farmer partnership, and research to connect science laboratories with the farmers to find innovative solutions and technologies to be developed and applied at the farm level. Here is an important question. Despite all this, does India have the key strengths to transform into a global biomanufacturing hub? Of course, yes. India has a large reservoir of scientific human resources, including scientists and engineers, cost-effective manufacturing capabilities, more than 3,500 biotech startups, large number of national research laboratories, several universities, professional colleges offering degrees and diplomas in biotechnology, and highest number of approved manufacturing plants by the US Food and Drug Administration. Apart from this, Global Bio India 2021, the largest bio event, has showcased opportunities in Indian biotechnology sector to the world. We will be back with more information. Thanks for watching.